welcome back to my channel. So today or tonight we are going to do an unboxing video. So I got stuff here from DAISO Japan. It's not much, but I just would like to share this with you. So you open natin siya. Ayan. So let's see what we got. So I have this blackboard. It's 34 cm by 24 cm. So let's see. So I'm gonna use this one in the kitchen. Actually, it would have been better if may stand siya, but remedyohan natin to, or let's make a way kung paano to siya. Yeah, papatayo. Ayan. And then I've got here a bamboo chopsticks. So I'm gonna use this one for cooking because the chopsticks that I got are only for eating. So this one is good kasi mahaba siya. So ayan, there's two pairs in there. The other one is a bit longer than the other one. Ayan. So looks like it's made of bamboo. So let me just cut it. So there you go. So I got here two pairs. I got here a cord holder, so that would make it neat and tidy for our cords. So open natin siya. So basically ganyan lang siya, open mo siya, and then like that. So apat yung laman niya. There are 4 pieces in here. I have here a very cute watering can, but it's made of plastic. It's not tin, but yeah, that's what it is. It's cute. I'm gonna let my daughter have this one. And then I've got here 2 types of scissors. This one is gardening. It says gardening. And the other one is for recycling. So I'm just curious how it's like. It's basically for cutting plastic containers, stuff like that. So ganyan siya. And then let's have a look at this one. Gardening. Cute naman. So ayan, with floral ano siya, accent. Next is I have this aroma diffuser. I've tried this one. I really like it. Rose yung scent niya, but the only thing is that ang dali niya maubos. It doesn't last that long. So here's the stick. And then I got here a pen holder, pencil holder. Actually, I don't really need this one, but I just love the color. So that's I got it. It'll always be useful. And then I have the aroma oil, lavender scent. Actually, this one goes with this one. It goes together. Oil burner. So ayan, so what you do is that you put water in here, tapos a drop of this oil, and then you will have a burner here, or candle. Let's try it later on, and I'm gonna show you. And then we have here is a dish stand, a wooden one. I'm gonna use this one to hold pot and pan lid. And then lastly is, so all of this stuff are 88 pesos except for this one, chocolate and cheese fondue. This is 188 pesos. Ayan. So actually it's very small, but I was just curious. Maybe the children would love this one. So actually it's not really much, or you know, it's not big enough for a family. There are only 2 sticks in here. But yeah, we're just gonna try this one. Maybe the kids love it. So, and dito yung candle. Ayan. So, patong mo lang siya dito. And then yeah. Let's see. It's a bit cute, actually. So, that's it. Yan yung pinamili natin. So, there you have it. Yung ating pinamili. It's not much, really. So we're just gonna fill it up with water. About 80% full. And then we're gonna add 3 to 4 drops of oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna light this candle. So that's pretty. I can smell it now. So what we're gonna do is, when the water level becomes low in here, we're just gonna extinguish the candle. So we put it out.